Hi there. So today I'm going to continue to talk about Buddhism. This is my school, and this is what I have for today. So last time I was talking about the law of cause and effect, that good causes bring good effects, bad cause bring bad effect, and own cause brings own effect. Okay? I was also talking about the three worlds, the 10 directions, and no exceptions. So three worlds means past world, present world, and future world. 10 directions is everywhere in the universe, and no exceptions is no exceptions. So one of my students, or someone who was watching the video, asked me about three worlds. So to understand this, there is two ways of seeing these three worlds. So three worlds you can say just all the time, or understand what this actually means. Also means. So past world means the world before you were born. So this is your birth, the past world. During the past world, the law of cause and effect was also working. The present world, the world you know, while you are here living, is a time that also this is working, the law of cause and effect. And the future world, after you lived here, this law will continue to work. So this law of the law of cause and effect, or the law of karma, is working all the time, everywhere, and there is no exceptions. So no exceptions mean every effect comes from a cause, and so without the cause, without the seed, we have no tree. So without the cause, there is no effect. So that there is no exception for that. So that's the first question. And then second question would be something that one of my students said. And this is very popular saying, but I'm going to approve or not the meaning of this saying. So the saying is, everything happens for a reason. This is very popular nowadays. So is this true? Well, yes and no. If you are saying, what is the meaning of this? If you're saying that everything happens for a reason, in the sense of for every effect there is a cause, yes, it is like that. But if you're saying that everything that happens is due to the power of, something that is leading things to be like that, it's very dangerous to think like that, because you lose all sense of the consequences of your actions, and you lose the responsibility that you are the one bringing happiness or suffering to yourself by your own deeds. So you think, oh yeah, everything happens for a reason, you are taking no responsibility in the consequences of your fate or whatever happens to you. So I do not approve this. So you might wonder if there's any exception. Some cases may come to your mind, like something you might be imagining, like by doing good deeds you still find bad effects, or the opposite. So I would like you to bring an example, and we can analyze this in the next lesson. If not, I will bring examples myself. So why is Buddhism so friendly with science? Because science works under the scientific method, which is, under these conditions or circumstances, I will always have this effect. So temperature or whatever, you measure it, and then the same effect every time. So that's the scientific method. So science, what does is to study the causes of the effects and understand what's going on, or also to study the causes, so to predict the events from the future, for example in weather. Okay. So if you want to listen, if you want to continue to listen to Buddhism, it's not just because it's interesting. You should listen because the purpose in listening to Buddhism is this: end suffering, impart joy. I hope to see you next time.